Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to decorate a Victorian-style kitchen. In this video, we'll show you how to transform this blank canvas into a charming and elegant Victorian-inspired culinary haven. Let's get started. First, we'll install beautiful shaker-style cabinets to set the foundation for our Victorian kitchen. These cabinets have recessed panels and clean lines, capturing the essence of the era. Next, let's add the warmth and rustic appeal of butcher block countertops. These solid wood surfaces not only provide a practical workspace but also evoke a sense of nostalgia in our Victorian-style kitchen. To enhance the vintage charm, we'll incorporate a porcelain farmhouse sink. Its large, deep basin and front apron make it both functional and visually appealing. And for an added touch, we'll include glass front cabinets to display delicate china and glassware. No Victorian kitchen would be complete without a decorative range hood as a stunning focal point. Its intricate carvings and details add elegance to the space. Additionally, we'll install a timeless subway tile backsplash, bringing a touch of classic style to our kitchen. Now, let's make our cooking experience more convenient with a pot filler faucet, mounted above the stove. This will allow easy filling of large pots with water. We'll also add open shelving with decorative brackets for extra storage and a display area for beautiful kitchenware. And there you have it. A Victorian-style kitchen that combines timeless elegance with functional design. Remember, you can further personalize the space by adding vintage-inspired appliances, showcasing copper cookware, and incorporating crown molding, ornate ceiling medallions, and wainscoting. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transforming a plain kitchen into a Victorian masterpiece. Stay tuned for more inspiring interior design ideas. Happy decorating!